What's up, family? Welcome back to another edition of So Focused Marketing and Promotions Tech and Lifestyle channel. I'm your host, Mr. I'm So Focused. So what we got today on the channel is we got the Google Pixel 3a, the white edition. So I'm gonna switch my phone real quick. Right now I got the Note 9. That's what I got on deck right now. So you know about the Note 9, come with the stylus pen, all of that good stuff. But I'm trying a new phone out, so I'm gonna try this phone out real quick. If I don't like it, it is what it is. I'll flip it. That's just how I do, you know. So we're gonna check it out. We're gonna do this live, right on taping right now. I'm gonna switch my phone. So Google Pixel 3a. It's the box it comes in. So right there on the back, hashtag Team Pixel, Google. And this is the unlocked version straight from Google. So let's see what it is. So this phone is powered up. See if it got any juice. While that's powering up, let's see what we got in the box. Got your SIM ejection tool right here. Your manuals. Your hashtag Team Pixel. Your Google stickers. You know, for the... That's a dope sticker, by the way. But hashtag Team Pixel, I guess you put that on wherever you want to put that at. Let's see what else we got. User manual, and like I said again, SIM ejection tool. We're gonna need that. You got your wire is Type C to Type C. That means this thing is gonna charge crazy fast. I don't know, you got a little dongle right here, the USB, if you want to transfer all your information over, you can use that, and your power brick. You got the Type C on the power brick. Not the, I don't have one around, but not that usual, you know, USB cord that you usually see. It's Type C to Type C, so this thing is going to charge extra fast. Alright, so let's get the SIM ejection tool. Open this up. So right here on the side, that's where you put your SIM ejection tool at. Take that out. Get your old phone. Hopefully this works out. Should work. I think it takes a different memory card. So yeah, I don't know if that's gonna work. Yeah, it takes a different memory card from my old phone. So we ain't gonna be able to test that out. That's one of those things where you gotta go to the store itself and get a whole new SIM card and all that. I ain't going through all that, so we're gonna just go through the whole the specs of the phone real quick. Check it out. Start. We'll connect to the mobile network now. Just do the Wi-Fi for now. Go through the OS on the device. We put my information in here. It's connecting, checking for updates. So this phone's supposed to be the Google flagship phone right now that they got going out. Supposedly the camera on this phone is crazy. But it is what it is. If you like, you know, shooting phone videos and photos and all that stuff, you'll probably like this phone. But I'm gonna just run through the OS real quick. Let's check around the phone, see what they got around the phone real quick. You got a headphone jack. That's headphone jack right there. See if you can see that. Got the headphone jack, your mic. Your power button, volume rock up and down, speakers on the bottom, Got the G on the back. And I think this is gonna be your unlock and your touch unlock. Your fingerprint unlock. That's pretty much what it is. I'm still waiting for this to load up. I think this phone comes in like black and well, not black, but the gray color. I like this white color. It's pretty good. Oh, you also got the camera and your flash. All right, let's see. Not gonna copy nothing. We're just gonna go into the websites and see how good the speaker sound and stuff. Let me log in. I should be able to get through most of it because it's gonna log in with your Google password and all that stuff. So asking me to unlock my old phone, so let's do that real quick. And alright, we in. So let's check it out, see what goes on. Since I'm not downloading a whole bunch of stuff, it's just taking extra quick. I'll skip that for now. Put 000 000. Even get reminder. Okay. I just want to see how, you know, videos and all that look. Alright, so this is your home screen right here. You got the home screen. See the welcome to new Pixel. Tap for more tips. You know, starting with the Pixel, finding apps. Let's go back on that. Let's go back on that. Let's see what the let's see what YouTube look like on here. Why not? Go to YouTube, see what some videos look like. Asking me to update. I'm not doing that right now. Let's see. Let's go to nothing else but the So Focused Marketing and Promotions Tech and Lifestyle channel. Right there at the top. Kicked me out for some reason. Alright, let's see what video we got. Let's get a good one. Go to the video I made yesterday. If you ain't check it out yet, go to the website, So Focused Marketing and Promotions Tech and Lifestyle channel. Welcome back. Another edition of So Focused Marketing and Promotions Tech and Lifestyle. That's how big the screen is. I'm not used to these little screens. Welcome back to the channel. Still rocking. As you see on the table, still got t-shirts, still got socks, still got hats, still got sweaters. We still rocking. Video I did yesterday for the GoPro Karma drone. Campaign 888-C, sound pretty good. New York, 10019. Send your t-shirts, send your apparel there. It is what it is, man. Nothing ain't stopped. We still rocking. We still moving. We still focused. Yeah, it kicked me out. I don't know why I keep shutting down like that. Maybe because I didn't update it, but it is what it is. You get the picture. Let's do one more video, man. Let's just do it. Let's go with this one real quick. All the homage. What's up, family? Welcome back to another edition of So Focused. So that screen is big, but you still got the bezels on the outside. I'm not really feeling that, but I'm used to my Galaxy Note 9. So, but it got some good speakers though. Shout out to the
let's see what else
Harmons.
they got.
I got some clothes for them already. Let's go to the ending.
The privilege to commit to this incredible brand that has kept me up.
See, you know, the clothes that I got for them or whatever.
Promo codes, no nothing like that. Everything,
you got good speakers on this phone. Phone is pretty light. Feels plastic though, but like it is what it is.
I need that famous enough gray sweater.
Let's go back.
This red hoodie right.
I don't like the bezels on it, but you got your front-facing camera. You got your, you know, all your, you know, your accessories that you need to, you know. I think it's pretty much they promote it as a camera phone type of thing, you know. What else? Let's see how fast it is on for the internet. So focus.biz, where you get all your merch at. Go check it out. Like I said, man, it's a nice little phone. I'm feeling it. You know, if you know, it's alright. I would have used it as an everyday phone. I like my Note 9 better. I like the big screens. I'm not used to really these small screens, but this alright. It's light in the hands. It feels kind of flimsy though. Like if you drop it, that's gonna be it. But you know, it is what it is. The screen is proper. You know, all the screens, all the blacks are black. You know, the whites look perfectly white. They not like that cream color. You know, the reds popping out. Check it out, man. Alright, what we got? Google Pixel 3a. Check it out. Unlocked. If you're interested in this one, hit me up. At the end of every video, trust God, love family, and stay focused.